Hey everybody, it's Jenny. Just as a reminder, if you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. Anyway, I am doing a plan with me this week using the Cocoa Daisy Field stickers. I'm going to admit, when I first saw the collection, I was like, meh, it'll be fine. And then, you know what? The more I've worked with it, the more I really love it. I actually really love the color palette, and the daisies are just absolutely adorable. They're so cute. And the daisies on the navy blue background is basically like my favorite thing. I feel like I'm super drawn to that lately. So I really look forward to using more of that. I'm adding the date stickers. These are from the memory keeping sticker kit. They're just, I don't know why, I'm always so drawn to them and I find myself using them every time. I suppose I should branch out, but just can't seem to do it. All right, so for the first cluster, I decided that I wanted to use some words for the middle, and then I used the clear ones this time. And I wanted to create like a scene of blowing on a dandelion, the little pieces scattering across. So then I used that little, let the little like other flowers across the top be the scattery pieces. It's not exactly like that, but it's that sort of visual that I'm trying to explain. So then I also put those decorative boxes up at the top as well. Now this purple one, there's a little teeny tiny itty bitty blank white space, and so I thought, you know what, let's add one of these itty bitty little washy looking strips up there. And you know what, I'm kind of sold on that. At first, I was thinking, I don't think that's for me. And then it really has grown on me over some time. So sometimes I think that's why I need a little bit of time to grow into things. I'm not really sure at first that I really like them because they're different. It's not because they're bad, it's because they're different and I'm not used to them. So I find that's one of the reasons that sometimes I don't love things at first. And then the other is that it's just the messy middle. The middle doesn't always look great, but sometimes the end looks fantastic if I'm just patient enough to wait for it. So I'm using one of the click art pens that are included in the planner add-on kit. And I really do love these pens, and I love them for using in the planner too, especially on not so busy weeks. They're really fun to write with. They're just like a fine tip marker. And the color is so pretty on this one, but I am a lavender fan, so I just kind of love it. Now I am spelling out Andy. My husband was out of town for the weekend, and so then he came home, and so I'm just spelling that out with these alpha stickers. Again, this color of green, I in no way, shape, or form would have thought that I would have been into it. Actually, if you want to know the truth, I was kind of not into green at all until recently, and then now I am back into green. And this color green, I just would not have said would have been my favorite. But for some reason, with these other colors, I really do like it. It's just funny how that works out. It works that way a lot for me. I don't know about you guys, but I'm just very open-minded to all the craft supplies. So equal opportunity, if you will. As you can see, I'm just filling things in, writing with the click art pen both directly on the page and then also on the stickers. I also purchased a new package of the Zig Clean Color dot markers. I will link them up for you below. I'm really liking them. It's a different, more muted color package, and I just wanted to try that out and see what I thought of that. I know that the original package I have, some of the lighter colors are a little bit more neonish, and so sometimes I don't love that. Now this is that washi I was telling you about. The navy blue background with the white daisies. I love the contrast. I just absolutely love it. I can't get enough, in fact. Like, obsessed with it. So, there you go. Love it. All right, so I love how it just sort of pulls you across the top, and it really just sort of fills that empty space as well, which you know that in this particular planner, this memory planner without photos, that's my goal here, is to not really have a ton of white space. Now, do I want it to be completely 100% filled? No. But do I want to fill the space? Yes. So I do that by combining my plans and my lists and my activities with decorative elements. Will that always be stickers? No. Sometimes it'll be alphabet stickers. Sometimes it'll be stamps. I just really want to be creative and have a whole lot of fun in this planner, since it is not my functional planner and it is also not my memory planner, the one that I use with photos. So I feel like I have a little bit of flexibility here. All right, so the thing I love about these daisy sticker kits is that they have a wide variety of boxes. So you saw right there that hexagon, it was kind of perfect right there. It's from the Daisy add-on sticker kit, and it's just cute, perfect for writing load dishwasher. This planner takes the place of a functional planner on my shelf at the end of the year. I love both functional planning, trying all the planners, and having one planner that sits on my shelf at the end of the year. Since I allow myself to try all the planners, that's not really feasible to have one planner sit on the shelf. So enter this planner. I'm able to do that. It works out great. I love it. It's a wonderful solution. But the one negative I have learned is that it means that I don't have room for some other projects. So I don't really have the ability to do a bujo. I don't really have the ability to do another journal or something like that, because a person only has so much bandwidth for projects. I'm not going to lie. And I've really reached the limit with my bandwidth. But I do get to do a lot of what I love. So I should be pleased. All right, so we're pulling in some more alphabet stickers. My husband had a very busy week, as you could see. It was a fun week, though. And so I decided that the alphabet stickers, I wanted to make a visual triangle of alphabet stickers and highlight important things that were going on this particular week. So my husband coming home from one trip, my husband leaving on another trip, and then my cousin coming to visit. Those all seemed like great things to highlight with my alphabet stickers. So I spelled those things out, and they all worked out to be in 3 different corners. So it looks great and really balanced and very visually appealing. Now, one of the things I love is I love these inserts. These are the Cocoa Daisy Minimalist Collection classic vertical inserts, and they're just beautiful. The paper is gorgeous, and it allows me to decorate with absolutely anything, and it matches. There's no clashing, there's nothing, no problems at all. And so I really do love that a lot. It's wonderful. Look how that all comes together. It's just so pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to finish filling in a couple of the other little details with that Click Urge pen. So yeah, it's really, you have to think of this as a really fine tip marker or a really thick like Papermate Flare. It's got, just the felt tip like a marker would. But I love it, and I also love, because it helps me take up a little bit of space in this planner, because obviously it is, I don't have tons of room. I have white space is what I'm getting at. So that's where we end up adding a little bit more decor and things like that. And then it just really stands out with this pen. I'm always really happy with how these weeks look. Now I'm just going to go back in with those white spaces, and I'm going to add some of these little decorative sticker elements. And that's it for me. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and I will do my very best to get back to you. Thank you so much, and make it a great day.